Want to record screen with internal audio on your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, iPhone has a built-in screen recorder, so you can simply swipe down from the right and your control center will appear. Here, you will have the screen recording option. If you do not find it over here, then you simply want to tap on the plus icon at the top left corner, then tap on add a control. Now you want to search for screen recording from here. Then it will simply appear over here. Now when you just tap on the screen recording, it will start to record your screen, but the audio might not be recorded. If you want to make sure that the audio is also recorded, what you want to do is tap and hold on the screen recording button. Now, you're going to find this option over here. If microphone is off, then you will not be able to get the internal audio. So if you want the audio, you want to tap on this option until it says microphone on. Once microphone is on, you can simply start to record and your internal audio will also be recorded while you record your screen. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.